Hello everyone, you're watching Jana FX, and in this video I'll share with you my results of trading for October month, and also I'll share my thoughts on gold movements this coming week. So basically guys, I haven't made a video last week. Unfortunately, I didn't have much time. So this month also is going to be a little bit hard because I will be away and wouldn't be having with me microphone and light. So it will be quite hard for me to do videos. We will see. Maybe I will still will be able to do, but not much of the trading will be happening, except I will be still sending my daily setups, okay, but probably not much of my instant trading and scalping. So let's just start with my results for this month. I'm just showing you guys, this is my main account, and I have, you can see there is nothing is floating right now. So now I'm going into the history and just want to move it a little bit up and show you custom period. Okay, so I'm going to choose October because we're already in November. So starting from, well, okay, first is October, it was Sunday, and I'm going to yeah, okay, so I will go for 31st of October. But as you know, guys, so some trades could be from 31st going to 1st of November. So plus minus. So let's see what it's going to be showing here. As you can see, guys, so the result is 88,000, which is, like I'm saying again, it's depends on what we had floating in on 31st. If the trades closed, let's say I'll put from 1st of October, and so the trades could have been from September. So let's say I'll put until 1st of November, because it will be a little bit different result in here. And I want you to show, which is, as you can see, guys, 90,900. So I had some trades from 31st to 1st. That's what I was just trying to tell you. So it's between 80 plus 90 slightly this month. So it was really, really good month. We had plenty of trades. I was sending a lot of signals to my Telegram channel. So now I want to show you guys on my Facebook because just to show it to you, okay? So you can see this is the real account, the one I'm trading, and as you can see, that's the amount. As I was just telling you, as you saw, was a bit different because some trades closed out like on 1st of November, but they were from the 31st and October. And you see an MT4, it shows one number in here. As you can see, it shows the other number. So let's say on my Facebook it is 90,000, okay, this October, slightly lower than 100,000, but this was like quite a record for me on this account. So quite very, very good result. But I was trading really hard in October, I was telling you, because November is not going to be as much of trading going on. So just want to show you, as you can see, that's my main account. As you can see in here, showing you, well, I don't know, stats, general information. You can see the type of account is real, and the statistics. And once again, that's October. That's October, and mainly trading gold. I had a few trades. Remember, I was telling you I had some other pairs trades, just trying strategy on those pairs, but still gold is the best. And I already have a bit of a profit in November. So you see, guys, this week in November, only gold only made $1,100. So that this week was not as profitable as previous weeks. That's what I'm just trying to say. As usual, guys, when uh, you say what's your target a month, there is no target. You see some you saw some months were more or less weeks, more or less days could be profitable, could be floatings. And I just want to show you again my Telegram channel. So this week, guys, as you saw, it was 1,000 because I didn't scalp this week. So all my trades were only the ones I sent through my Telegram channel with the lot size only zero point 0.8. Okay, so that was pretty much just a part-time trading. I had my pending orders through the Asian session and few orders I had during the week, during the day. Okay, so this is my official Telegram channel. Again, if you're first time watching it, it's a Jana FX. As you can see, that's the address, and that's the only channel I have, guys, on Telegram, and that's it. I don't have any other any other else. They are all scammers, so don't trust them. If you have any questions, just write me an email. I have it in the description under this video. Also, the brokers I'm using, my other social sites, you can find links in the description of this video, guys. And also, of course, the EA I was using, and which is the only EA I offer. If you are interested also to place the orders the same way I do with the EA, then it's only could be rented through my Patreon link, which is also in the description of this video. That's it, guys. There is nothing else out there on the internet. I do not offer anything else, no courses, no fundings, nothing. So just block and ignore those other people who are pretending to be mine. They're taking my photos, they're taking my information, they're taking my order signals, they're doing all of this stuff, but this is nothing to do with me, guys. So, okay, if you have any doubts, please ask me first. Okay, if you find something suspicious, just contact me. Do not send any money to anybody else. Okay, just warning you every time, because that's the reality, unfortunately. So, and I just want to show you this week, because to show you that that's the result of only trading. Okay, it shows because we already have a new week starting. I'm going to start from 1st of November. That's, I don't know if there are some trades came. So no, as you can see, guys, we see all the trades wherever they closed, they stayed in October. And here's November, as you can see, the lot sizes. The maximum I had 172, which grown from the recoveries. Yes, these last 2 weeks. It was good trades, but I had few losses. Yes, we did catch few losses because market is a little bit started to move a bit not as predictive as it was the last 3 weeks previous, compared to like this last week. And I was using only my those setups, only zero point 0.8, because I didn't have much time for scalping. And as you can see, guys, 0.4, this is where the split of the lot, right? Because I start with 0.8, which I sent to Telegram, and it splits to half. And then the higher lot sizes here, as you can see, guys, this were the some of the recoveries. They're not that many, as you can see, but they were. Okay, so yes, there were like few losing trades. That's which ones you can see right here, and they were recovered, but all the other trades closed out with profit. So that's pretty much, guys, if only using the pending orders, and pretty much no instant. And I did not scalp, because you saw me scalping. I was showing like previous in October bigger lots, right? You saw me even risking with bigger lots. Okay, leaving the trades through the weekend. Like I'm saying always, I don't like to leave the orders through the weekend trades, because like we had last time happened with this gap, that's can happen on gold. So now, guys, go back to, I explained to you a little bit of my trading. Now let's talk about the overview of the market. So I'll go on a bigger time frame, so you can see the weekly. We had 3 consecutive weeks, like all the moving up, right? All the green closed out, and now we have the first week last week, which was the little red candle with this week down. So to me, guys, this is a possible a sign for some correction. It's not exactly the turning around point, but could be, because remember the previous top here looking like could be shoulder. We're still kind of in that area of this previous shoulder, and a little bit of this red candle sign. And remember, also before the other week, I did make a video. I was telling you that if we see the similarity of the previous movement, we find it here, where I was considering some consolidation, just like we had here, right? A little bit of, well, two red candles, as we can see here, a weekly chart. So that's what would have been my expectation on this. Also, a little bit of slowing down before the market will either continue the way up or maybe it will start it to reverse. In my opinion, of course, with all of this movement is still a kind of like an impulse on the news with Gaza and Israel. Unfortunately, it's not calming down at this moment. You see, it was nothing is changing except we had some announcement from Hezbollah leader saying that they are not looking into escalating the problem, right? So they were not calling for like war, Third World War, but they say they're going to watch closely and anything can happen. So if it is could happen something bad and escalating, then it could. But nothing happened just yet. So basically, with the opening of the market, if there is anything happens during weekend, um, if, for example, yes, they finally decide to go war with Israel and declare a proper war officially, then I would presume that we are going to have opening of the market with a gap up, and the market will continue up and it will reach highs. Okay, so it will take the highs, the previous, because gold has been here for quite a while, and now, yeah, it's a very strong area, support, resistant, and of course, over 2000, right? Like 79, let's say 70, 80. So if something like this happens through the weekend, well, then I wouldn't be surprised to see a huge gap up and the market will just shoot up. Okay, and who knows where to 100 to 200. So nobody will ever tell you. I mean, okay, technically I was showing you last time that yes, of course, we're in a big uptrend channel, and if we are treating this as top, bottom, and this slowing down as a possible triangle top, and it should really go down right before continue the way up in our uptrend. But at the same time, from this bottom, it could have gone straight to the top, but it decided to consolidate a bit here. It went a bit flat. So now, yes, it could be that possible huge move, and who knows where it could go to 500. Many predicting, because it does look like it, because it goes with our channel. So if the situation, if finally ceasefire and Israel will stop the operation, then of course it would be gap down and gold would started to fall as it should really previously, and go into according the plan, going down first before the reverse a proper going inside our channel, and who knows even further. But I can't see this, to be honest, at this moment, unfortunately. So my expectation would be there is nothing going to happen during the weekend, just whatever is happening right now will just continue that way, and then expecting possibly a little bit of, who knows, small little gaps up or down. But you see, guys, we have this area, and of course the my expectation would be in here that gold might just continue a little bit in this area. It has a pin up and also has a little bit of pin down. We do also have these pins, and we have a quite support, in my opinion, around 1950 plus minus lower higher. So it's also looking here a little bit of head and shoulders. At the same time, it kind of looks like a bit of a wedge. We also have double top, and the next top is a little bit lower. So at this moment, it kind of gives me a little bit of signs of reverse, okay, of reverse. But if the situation in Middle East will continue as it is now, my expectation would be it's not going to be a huge move. Let's say 1950, maybe plus minus, maybe a little bit higher. Not just yet, maybe around 1960 something, right? This area, and just consolidate a little bit in that area, and then depends how it's all going to go. Continue with news from Middle East. Maybe we will sit in this area a little bit before it will decide which way to go. So either continue the way up, finally go over 2000 and higher. Like I'm saying, I'm not excluding it might go a little bit high here in 2000, but I don't think it's going to go for those high targets yet, like people predicting to 100 to 200 to 500. I think to 500 only if the escalation will start and another country will declare the war. but if not, my expectation, it needs a little bit of consolidation before it decide where to go. And like I'm saying, I'm not excluding breaking 1950, like 60 or something there, and going further down. We also had some bad news for US dollar last week. Even Phil Fed said they do not look like they are planning to cut the rates. Some people started to talk about, they probably will be starting to talk about it next time, but non-farm was really bad. But it's all at this moment is so much of the speculations. I wouldn't be thinking about it just yet, just to see. Of course, the financial numbers, we will be listening and seeing what will be happening. I still don't think Fed would be looking into cut rates. I still think they will be increasing the rate once more, at least. I believe maybe not in December, but maybe in January. But we will see at this moment. So that's my view, is that we might go for a bit of consolidation if the situation will be just like at this moment with looking around Middle East. And then we will see what's next. Okay, guys. So that's it for now. That's how I see it. Like I'm saying, guys, it doesn't really matter for which way the market goes. It just sees a little bit more like losses I had this week compared to those previous 3 weeks. It was pretty much no losses, but losing trades. Okay, but still the markets move enough to cover those losses wherever I get. But during the Asian session, it might be going to be a little bit of those weeks, and fake breakouts, not very big moves before it will pick up one or the other way. So you see, in my opinion, at this moment, if nothing happens in Middle East, then we will be a little bit of a consolidation, going around like, well, okay, slightly maybe 2000, because you see right now we're also staying below 2000. It's around 1992 we stopped. And so what's the daily is green with the wick up, which kind of gives a bit more view that it might go higher. But you see, on the 4 hour time frame, we do have a little bit of the red candles, and the weekly one also closed the upside down red candle, you see, guys. So that's why maybe gold will open and go a little bit high again around 2000 and stay in this little area, and then break out, maybe go higher, or actually maybe fall down. Like I'm saying, my expectation that we would go down and then start to consolidate a little bit in this area between 2000 plus, let's say 2008, 2010 maybe, and 1960, something around here, this area, 1950 maximum, and it will stay a little bit in this area. So that's how I see it, guys. And well, let's see what happens this week. I really pray and fingers crossed for, please, peace all over the world, guys. Just praying for the peace all the time, every day. Just no wars anywhere, guys. Just anywhere. Just really wish it will be peace, and we all will be living and happily trading with just whatever financial numbers, and not depending on people's lives, really, guys. So really wish for the peace everywhere. So that's it for now, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Happy trading, everyone, and see you hopefully. At least I will hear you. Maybe you will not see me, but at least I will try to speak. But I'm not sure if the volume will be good, because there will be no microphone with me on my travels. Okay, that's it, guys. So I see you next time, hopefully. Okay, bye for now. Bye.